The Easy DIY Murphy Bed Desk hardware is a new mechanism that will allow anyone to add a stay-level desk to an existing DIY Murphy bed. The Easy DIY Murphy Bed Stay-Level Desk is a new exciting product that you can add to your DIY Murphy bed to save even more space, declutter, and truly create the multi-purpose room you always dreamed of. The desk hardware provides a smooth, controlled level movement of the desktop when you open or close your wall bed. You can leave any object on the desk, like your laptop or even a drink, when using the Murphy bed, since the desk remains leveled at all times. With the Murphy Bed Desk hardware, you can add a desk to any DIY Murphy bed, ranging from twin to king size, that uses a piston mechanism in a couple of hours. The desk hardware works with both vertical and horizontal wall-mounted cabinet styles. The depth of the desk can be between 12 and 24 inches deep for any size vertical wall bed, and between 12 and 20 inches deep for any horizontal wall bed. The Easy DIY Murphy Bed Desk hardware comes with all the necessary hardware. All you need to buy is 3/4 or 5/8 thick lumber to build your own stay-level desktop. The installation of the Easy DIY Murphy Bed Stay-Level Desk is super easy. The hardware comes with a visually illustrated, step-by-step guide, as well as complete installation and setup online videos to assist you in adding the desk to your existing DIY Murphy bed in just a couple of hours. Our unique design also allows you to customize the width of the desktop if you prefer by using just one balancing arm. This is a great option for any horizontal wall bed because of the width of the wall bed cabinet. The Easy DIY Murphy Bed hardware is exclusively available on Easy DIY Murphy Bed's website and cannot be found anywhere else. The high-quality desk hardware is made in North America and comes with a full lifetime warranty for complete peace of mind. Just visit EasyDIYMurphyBed.com to learn more. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming DIY videos.